juggling multiple projects on a single laptop screen, I'd constantly lose track of windows, tabs, and files. Switching between emails, spreadsheets, and design tools was chaos. Deadlines loomed, but my workflow felt tangled and slow. I'd waste precious minutes just searching for the right window. Productivity dropped, and my workspace felt cramped and messy. Remote meetings? Forget it. Screen sharing was a nightmare. My laptop's ports were maxed out, and I needed more. Charging devices meant unplugging something important every time. Transferring files from SD cards took forever with adapters. Ethernet cables dangled awkwardly, and Wi-Fi lagged constantly. I knew I needed a serious upgrade, something powerful. One night, scrolling tech reviews, I spotted the OREI SplitExtend. The phrase triple 4K monitor dock instantly caught my eye. Could this be the answer to my multitasking struggles? I dove into the specs, stunned by its 14-in-1 power. 3 HDMI ports, each supporting 4K at 60 Hz. Unreal. 6 USB-C ports, Ethernet, SDTF, 100 PD charging. It promised to turn my laptop into a full workstation. The compact vertical design was perfect for my tiny desk. I loved that it worked with both Mac and Windows. A true plug-and-play solution for remote work warriors. But what really sold me? Triple screen extended desktop. Imagine 3 massive 4K monitors, all running seamlessly. No more alt-tabbing or shrinking windows to fit everything. I could code, design, and zoom all at once. The $100 power delivery meant my laptop stayed fully charged, plus an extra $20 port for my phone and accessories. Transferring photos from my camera was now lightning fast. The built-in SD and microSD slots saved so much hassle. Gigabit Ethernet gave me rock-solid, lag-free internet every time. Setup was a breeze. Just install DisplayLink, plug in, and go. Suddenly, my workspace transformed into a productivity powerhouse. No more clutter, no more cable chaos, just pure focus. I could monitor stocks, edit videos, and chat simultaneously. Creative projects felt effortless with 3 screens to spread out. Hot desking at the office, just grab and dock, done. Traveling for work, the OREI SplitExtend fits in my bag. International trips, it comes with a dual voltage adapter, so easy. Remote meetings became smoother with dedicated screens for notes. No more unplugging devices just to charge my phone. All my peripherals connected. Keyboard, mouse, drives, headphones. File transfers at 5 GB EPS made backups super quick. The 3.5mm audio jack kept my calls crisp and clear. The OREI SplitExtend made my workspace look sleek and pro. No more dongles, adapters, or tangled wires everywhere. My workflow is now streamlined, efficient, and stress-free. Productivity soared. I finished tasks faster and with less frustration. Creative ideas flowed easier with more space to visualize. Switching between work and play was now totally seamless. Even after hours of use, everything stayed cool and stable. The sturdy ABS body handled daily use without a scratch. OREI's 12-month warranty gave me total peace of mind. Expert support was just a call away if I needed help. I can't imagine going back to my old setup. Every business professional deserves this level of multitasking freedom. Creatives imagine editing, designing, and previewing all at once. Remote workers, your home office just got a major upgrade. Why settle for a cramped single-screen workspace anymore? Think about how much time you waste switching windows. What could you accomplish with 3 giant 4K displays? How much more productive could your team be with this? Wouldn't you love a clutter-free, pro-level workstation instantly? Stop letting your laptop's limitations hold you back. The future of multitasking is here. Don't get left behind. Ready to transform your workflow and crush your goals? Upgrade to the OREI SplitExtend 14-in-1 docking station now. Experience the freedom of triple 4K monitors, no compromises. Boost your productivity, creativity, and efficiency starting today. So, are you ready to level up your workspace? If so, click the link below in the description box to learn more. See you next time.